So over here, you can see that I have a bunch of data in the table. And if you want to order out these data over here alphabetically, then you can do so by using SQL Query as well. So to do that, I'm going to go around on to create, and I'm going to click on query design right here. So once I do that, I'm just going to go around, click SQL so that I can add in the query right here. So I can manually type in the query right here. So let's say what I want to do is I want to select all data. So I'm just going to say select asterisk right here. And once I do that over here, I want to arrange out the data, let's say, for example, from topic. So I'm just going to go around and say select asterisk, and I'm going to say from right here. And then I'm going to go around and type in prices right here. So once I do that, I'm going to go around right here, press enter right here, and I'm going to say order by. So I want to select all of the data from the table prices, but I want to order the data by topic right here. So I'm just going to go around over here, and in the order by section, I'm just going to go around and say topic right here. So once I do that, I'm going to add in the semicolon right here, and in query design, I'm going to hit the run button. So once I do that over here, you can see that according to the alphabet right here, you see the number is in the beginning now, and then you have A right here, B, I, and M, so forth, as you can see right here. So it has arranged out everything alphabetically, as you can see right there. I'm just going to go around over here, and I'm going to go around into SQL view, and over here you can see it's order by topic, as you can see right here. So by default, everything is arranged out ascending in an ascending order. But if you want to arrange everything in descending order, after the field name right here, you have to type in DESC, descending, just like this, and hit run. And what happens is that now you can see that now everything is in descending order, just like that. So that is how you can work around with ordering of data inside of Access by using SQL Query. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.